Welcome to Employment and Education News. Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 260 Navik General Duty, 30 Navik Domestic Branch, 60 Yantrik, 25 Mechanical, 20 Electrical, 15 Electronics post vacancy in Indian Coast Guard. Eligibility 10th, 12th, Diploma in Engineering. Age limit between 18 to 22 years. Apply between 8 September 2023 and 22 September 2023. Assistant Manager post vacancy in National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Eligibility Bachelor degree, BBA, BE or BTech, BSc degree in Geoinformatics, Bachelor degree in Forestry, Food Processing, Food Technology, Statistics. Bachelor degree in Computer Science, Computer Technology, Computer Application, Information Technology. Bachelor degree in Mass Media or Communication or Journalism or Advertising and Public Relation. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Last date for application 23 September 2023. Application fees are as 800 and 150 for SC, ST, PWD candidates. Diploma trainee post vacancy in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility Diploma in Electrical, Civil and Electronics Engineering. Age limit maximum 27 years. Age on 23 September 2023. Last date for application 23 September 2023. Application fees are as 300 and no fee for SC, ST, PWD, ex-serviceman, D-ex-serviceman candidate. Assistant Commandant, General Duty, Commercial Pilot, Technical, Law Entry post vacancy in Indian Coast Guard. Eligibility 12th with Physics and Mathematics, Bachelor degree with Physics and Mathematics, Engineering degree, degree in Law. Age limit born between 1st July 1998 and 30 June 2002 for General Duty and Technical. Born between 1st July 1998 and 30 June 2004 for Commercial Pilot. Born between 1st July 1993 and 30 June 2002 for Law Entry. Last date for application 15 September 2023. Scientist post vacancy in CSIR, National Institute for Interdisciplinary Science and Technology. Eligibility ME or MTech, PhD. Age limit maximum 32 years. Last date for application 10 October 2023. Accounts Officer, Public Relation Officer, GDMO post vacancy in TSDC India Limited. Eligibility CA, CMA, postgraduate degree or diploma in PR or mass communication or journalism, MBBS with 1 year experience. Age limit maximum 32 years. Last date for application 16 September 2023. Senior Officer Rajbhasha post vacancy in THDC India Limited. Eligibility Master degree in Hindi or English with English or Hindi as an subject at the degree level with 1 year experience. Age limit maximum 32 years. Last date for application 16 September 2023. Engineer, Senior Officer, Fire and Safety Officer, Quality Control Officer, Chartered Accountant, Law Officer, Medical Officer, General Manager, Welfare Officer post vacancy in Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Eligibility BE or BTech, MBA or PGDM with specialization in sales or marketing. MSc in Chemistry, CA, Law after graduation or 5-year course in Law after 12th standard. MBBS, degree in Social Science, graduation in any discipline and diploma in Social Science, associate or fellow membership of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India along with graduation in any discipline. Age limit maximum 25 years for engineer, 28 years for senior officer, 29 years for medical officer, senior officer for MBA qualification, 27 years for fire and safety officer, chartered accountant, welfare officer, 26 years for law officer, 30 years for quality control officer, 50 years for general manager. Last date for application 18 September 2023. Thanks for watching till the end.